Beep boop. What is going to be a tow car? So today is the day that SMV gets a new tow car. As some of you may know, I've been driving around in a 05 plate X5 with a door handle that hasn't worked for a year, so I have to keep opening the driver's door by putting the window down on the button to get into it. But today it's going, and the question is, what are we going to get? So me and Alex are going over to Blakedown Cars. If you don't already, give them a follow. Good guys. Sell some absolutely fantastic stuff, and let's see what the new tow vehicle is going to be. Many people won't know this, but we are here in Alex's 206, which is officially the fastest car on the road with a black box. Wow. So yeah, we're heading over to Blakedown now, and let's see what the new tow vehicle is going to be. So here we are at Blakedown. Some lovely examples and some slightly unusual examples. This is the new showroom, which is very nice, very tastefully set up. Got some stunning motors in here. The question is, what is going to be a tow car? But as you can see, more lovely examples, something for everyone, and I can tell you that the guys are absolutely fantastic to deal with as well. Yeah, I know for a fact that at the top here, this little Audi S1 is running about 400 brake horsepower, so I'd love to see that thing go. Much goodness. So here it is, the new SMV Tow Car. Wow! 700 brake Audi RS6. If that doesn't pull the M3 on a trailer, I don't know what will. So let's have a look inside. Yeah, so if we look inside, they're calling it silver leather. Dave will definitely need some seat covers for that because I'm messy all the time. Lovely carbon fibre inlays. Yeah, I think that will do the job. Much room in the boot for tools, etc. No pugs will be found in the boot, they'll be in the front seat. Sure the missus will be happy about that. There you go. I suppose the next thing to do is to hand it over to John and see what he thinks.
2 hours later.
So that is all the paperwork sorted out. Took a little bit longer than expected, to be honest. Got to love a good finance company. So yeah, that's it. Ready to rock and roll.
I dare you to be wilder.